It's that part of the show where we focus on the high volume stocks, and some of them were backed by delivery. Hormaz joins us to give us that list. Hey Hormaz, morning.
Morning, Nigel. And you spoke about copper in closing yesterday, and Hindustan Copper. We've been speaking about this over the last couple of days now. There's a 20% up move on the stock yesterday, and it was continuing for the second straight day among the top traded stocks on the Nifty 500. The fourth straight day of gains, and in these 4 sessions, the stock is up 40%. And almost 14 crore shares were traded yesterday, 20-day average of around 5 crore shares. And trading volumes yesterday, the turnover was over 10,000 crore rupees on Hindustan Copper. However, only 15% of the total number of shares that were traded were marked for delivery. So 2 crore shares for delivery, 20-day average of around 92 lakh shares, and the stock is seeing the best start to the calendar year since 2012. It's up over almost 50% now in the month of January. On the downside yesterday, a 5-star business finance was one earnings reaction, the biggest single day drop since October of 24. The top loser on the Nifty 500 on yesterday. Volumes yesterday were the highest in 3 months. Well over 1 crore shares were traded, 20-day average of less than 7 lakh shares, and out of those 1 crore shares, 35 lakh shares were marked for delivery, the 20-day average being just over 3.5 lakh shares. And courtesy of yesterday's fall, the stock has now slipped below its IPO price, which was 474. And lastly, the stock that is actually seeing proper delivery buying has been Axis Bank. This is the third straight day of gains for the stock yesterday, ended at the highest point of the day as well. It's up 8.5% now in the last 3 sessions, and over 1.5 crore shares traded yesterday, 20-day average of 70 lakh shares. The volumes yesterday's trading session were the third highest in the month of January, and delivery-based buying yesterday with almost 1,600 crores taking place in Axis Bank yesterday. There's over 1.2 crore shares that were marked for delivery, the 20-day average of around 45 lakh shares, and the stock doing well, ended at a 52-week high too.
Thank you very much for that.